What's up? What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Today, guys, just want to share some inputs or ideas related construction. You are construction engineer, construction superintendent, supervisor, foreman, labor technicians, etc. As a part of the construction team. Neither oil and gas industry or infrastructure, building, etc. Highways. So there's a different terms uh, in terms of the name of the activities. Okay, so in oil and gas industry, we have different naming and infrastructure, civil works, different naming of the drawings. Okay, if you are working, and as for me, as an experience for almost 23 years for oil and gas industry and 2 years and a half in the infrastructure, civil works. So there's some minor differences related engineering drawings by naming. Okay, uh, for example, I was in the construction in infra, housing, civil works. So not related oil and gas industry. So their drawings, what they are calling is a shop drawing. Shop drawing. What is the shop drawing? Shop drawing is the drawings that I need to utilize for the construction activities. Right? In oil and gas industry, that's my experience. We encounter AFC approved for construction or IFC issued for construction. This is always what we encounter if you are working in oil and gas industry. So you can see the drawing, okay, IFC or AFC. So approved for construction, issued for construction. And for the infra, building, etc., high rise, we're talking about shop drawing. Shop drawing, that's the installation details that we need to follow at site. However, this is all the same as terminology, only differences, and also the naming of the drawing based on the project entity or industries sector wise. Okay, so we are now oil and gas industry. So our project, as we are in the construction field, so you should know from the engineering, procurement. Okay, that's basis of the materials, material handling, delivery, etc. And then we have the teams of engineering, project team, so meaning project management team, including planning, project engineer, all right. And then we have construction team, we have installation team, hook up team, and commissionings. Okay, we have commissioning team, and this is all about the activities, the organizations of your project. So, what is the job as a construction superintendent, construction engineer, supervisor, okay, or either your technician, supervisor, foreman? So, IFC drawing issued for construction, approved for construction drawing. That is our basis as a construction team. This is our basis that it's approved. We will bring this drawing to site and then verify it's the correct installations based on the drawing. All right. So there's a lot of activities from structural, okay, piping, electrical, instrument, telecom. All right. So painting. So there's a lot of activities, and then that's why you are always do the coordinations of your project, all discipline, coordinating accordingly to the contractor, client, all right, stakeholder. All of this will be combinations with the proper coordination so that the progress of the work is good and there's no delay at all. Okay, so this is how it works. What is your basis to start your job? So now you hired as a construction engineer or part of the construction team. Neither any discipline, neither any position. So what is your basis when you are hired already? So now you have your chair, table, etc. What is your basis to start your journey? So without supervision, etc., without informing your manager, your lead, etc. What is your basis? Of course, you ask the management. I need to see the scope of the work. You need to read what is the scope of the work. So this is the first thing that you need to know. Reading the scope of work. After reading the scope of work, you have an idea, internalize, and then plan it based on your activities. So if I am the lead, so I need to know the scope of the work, who is the contact persons between the client, contractor, etc. So you need to know all of these things. And then gathered all the information since you have already the scope of work, you know the activities already. And then you discuss what is the planning. So you can discuss the planning engineer who is in charge. Okay, discuss the plan, request the planning, project schedule. That's what we call project schedule. If you have the project schedule, then you can see all of these activities lining up from engineering, procurement, okay, constructions, installations, that is erections, how materials, etc. Okay, and then all of these informations related vendors, engineering, 3D model, whatever, all is there under project planning. That's what we call project schedule. Level 3 schedule, level 4, maybe level 5 schedule, whatever level is that, but we can start level 3 schedule as per the standard, right? So this is how it works. So now all of these scenarios you already knows in gathering, and now if you for example, you have a personal discipline. For me, I am EIT, Electrical Instrument Telecom. So I will see what is my scope. And then I want to see the single line diagram. I want to see the interconnection diagram. I want to see the layout of the drawing, all those layout drawings, installation details, etc. So that everything is perfect. So this is a sort of information, guys. There's a minor activities throughout to your activities at site. This is the first step that you are really required to get involved. Scope of work, check the planning, schedule, project schedule, and this is now your basis of your progress. So you can put a register or table, everything. So check all this register. Then by activities wise of the contractor, you can follow. If you are the contractor, you are the one who gathered all these informations to support your work and then share to meeting to client. All right. So this is basic. All right. So now if you are different department, so now this is the ideas of the construction activities. So hopefully this will be guide you small and basic informations to start. So if you have anything to have a questions, don't forget to comment and like and subscribe, guys. See you.